Jack here from Past and Present Motor Cars, and behind me we have a beautiful 70 Chevelle SS. Now, so frequently we talk about different Chevelles and we go through how many options and how many features these cars have. Well, this one, what makes it cool, the survivability and the features that maybe it doesn't have on this one. So stay with me, we're going to take a closer look. Jack here from Past and Present Motor Cars, and today we have a special car to show you. A 70 Chevelle Super Sport, but a little different than a lot of the ones we highlight. So as we get out on the road with this car, this is a bench seat, got a column shift, and this is just a really nice survivor. So let me tell you a little story about this car and then we'll show you some more of the features of it. This car comes from a good friend of mine who has a car collection. Now, this friend of mine has buildings full of cars, lots of nice cars. This car sat for about 15 years in his garage, right up against his home, meaning he could get in it, turn the key, and drive anywhere at any time. And that's what's great about this car. All original interior, it's had one repaint. You'll see as we highlight more of the car, how original and survivor this car really is. So as we get out and drive, just look how beautifully it drives. It's got, great power steering, but this car almost drive itself. Clock's still working. It's got the indicator right here on the dash. It's got the fuel gauge, no tack. Does have a cowl induction hood, and it's in the correct color code 4848, which when we get outside and show you more about this car, color code 48 for the body and 48 for the roof as well. Now this color combination, pretty nice. Forest green with a saddle interior. You don't see a lot of that color combination, and you don't see a lot of cars this original that are this fun and pure to drive. So we're gonna take it for a nice little spin here. You can hear the dual exhaust. It's just nice when everything works in these cars, and the less you mess with them, the more it all works. So look how easy the steering is. Sounds great, looks great, and is a blast to drive. It's still a big block. Great brakes too. People ask all the time, do these Chevelles have power front disc brakes? Or they'll ask, does this one have power front disc brakes? That was a feature that all SS Chevelles had. They had power front disc brakes, F41 suspension, box rear trailing arms, and more. And that's what made these an amazing muscle car in its day in 1970, and one still very sought after today, as you can tell with us having about 15 70 Chevelles available today in our showroom. So we'll get out here and we'll take a closer look at this car. This car is so cool. What a blast to drive. So original, so fun. Can't wait to show you more about this car. What a great car this is. Starting with the dual exhaust, it's got the correct oval exhaust tips, the right racing stripes. VF Goodrich radial TA tires make it fun to drive on today's roads with the correct 14-inch SS wheels. Look at this interior. Bench seat. Look at all those seat belts. You can take the whole family out for ice cream, take it to a car show. You can take this car anywhere. It is a blast. Now it's the correct forest green, and the best part is under the hood. Well, it's got the cowl induction functional hood. Take a look at this big block. This is the matching numbers 396 350 horsepower engine. You heard it. It sounds great. It runs great. It has the original exhaust manifolds, the original intake that works well with the cowl induction hood. It's got the original power front disc brake setup, and on the trim tag, it's a real Kansas car with an L on the trim tag, 48 lower, 48 upper, which means this one repaint is in the correct forest green color. This is just a great car. You can drive it anywhere, have fun with it, show it, cruise it, take the family out in it. What a great car to enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. This has been a great 70 Chevelle to highlight. Please visit our website, pastandpresentmotorcars.com, for this Chevelle and all of our other great new arrivals. Thanks so much. Bye now.